Oh no, curses. Curses, you Batman, for putting me in this dark silent place. I hate it. No. Ah, my God, my nose. Oh, drudge. This is the penguin's jail. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, I'll hate you, Batman, forever. Oh. Don't go there, or you'll get hit. Okay? Ow, my nose. Wee! Oh! Riddler? Where'd we go? I'll just play with my cat. Whoop! Oh, where am I? No. Let's just put this away and I can jump on my bed again. Whoop! Whoa, 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 whoa! I told him to go on my bed. Ooh! Curses, you Batman! For I am the Lord of Fear. Ooh! Hey, what happened over here? Whoa, that was a close one. I couldn't been in Arkham Asylum for years. No, I was about to